Considering selling your home in the Phoenix metro area? Before you list it, watch this workshop first. It could be the difference between walking away with a huge check or leaving tens of thousands on the table. My name is Bret Johnson, and over the past 20 years, my team and I have helped over 2,000 Phoenix area homeowners sell with confidence. And here's what I know. Most sellers are winging it. They guess on price, throw it on the market, and hope for the best. But that usually leads to delays, lowball offers, and tons of stress. That's why I created this free home selling workshop to walk you through exactly how to price, prep, and market your home for a smooth, profitable sale, even if you've never sold before, and even if your house needs work. In this workshop, you'll learn the number one pricing mistake that costs Phoenix sellers thousands, which home fixes actually add value and which are just a waste, room by room staging tips that make buyers fall in love, and our proven step-by-step seller roadmap to get top dollar without the chaos. This exact playbook has helped people sell in as little as one day for over full asking price, and even off market with no showings. It's 100% free, and you can watch it on demand from any device. Click the button to register and get instant access. This isn't a sales pitch. It's a free, no-pressure class to help you take control of your home sale and protect your equity. Whether you're planning to sell next month or next year, this workshop will save you time, money, and stress. Go ahead and register now. You'll thank yourself later.